Okay, so we've learned how to insert and take out memory from our PC. We've learned really how to shop for memory for our PC. And we've learned that PCs, or specifically the motherboard, takes very specific kinds of memory. Now we can open up our computers and we can read the model number of the motherboard, and we can go to Google and we can look it up to try to find out what kind of memory a specific PC takes. But there's also an easier way to do it, and I'm going to show you how to do that today. This doesn't work on every PC, but it works on about 90% of them. So if you go into our hardware class and go down to chapter 5, the memory chapter that we're on right now, and then scroll down to where underneath the memory test project and other links, you'll see one that says memory scanner. Now when I click on memory scanner, and you will notice I'm in Internet Explorer right now because this really wants to start in Internet Explorer. May not finish there, but it's best if this is the one time I'm going to tell you that I think Internet Explorer is a better one, and it's because this Crucial website is built for Internet Explorer. Now Crucial is one of the makers of memory that we heard about in our presentations, and they have an online memory scanner, and to use it you just have to check there and click the download the scanner button, and when this pops up we go ahead and say that we want it to run, and yes, we want it to run. Now what this is going to do is this installs a piece of software on our PC, and then it begins a scan of the PC itself, specifically of the motherboard and the capabilities of the motherboard. Now Crucial guarantees that this will always work and that it will always be accurate. So then you're going to get a pop-up like this that says exactly what kind of memory it takes. So I'm going to say no thank you to our little pop-up. Now on this particular PC, what it's saying is that there are 2 sticks of memory in it and there are 2 empty slots. So I know right away that I can upgrade without losing anything. In other words, I've already got 2 gig. If I add anything else, I'm going to obviously have more than 2 gigs. So I could add 2 more slots in here. Now it says over here on the left hand side, although memory can be installed one module at a time, the best performance comes from using matched pairs. So the best thing I could do for this particular PC is to buy 2 sticks of memory for those empty 2 slots there. Now what it does is it goes and gives us the type of memory that's available, and I see right here it says this is an Optiplex 280, which I know is correct. I'm on a teacher's machine right now, and it says what kind of memory I could buy for this and how much Crucial pays for, or would sell it to me for. Doesn't mean I would necessarily go and buy it. Crucial is not necessarily the best cost for me, but at least now I can go and look and see what my options are. So it's saying either to add 2 gig, I'd buy 2 1 gig modules, or to add 1 gig, I'd add 2 512s, and we know we probably can get that less expensively. There also is a button over here that lets me see, well, no, it's already showing me all the options. Sometimes it doesn't show you all the options, so there's a little button here that says, hey, here's the other options available. So if I wanted to, I know that I could look for DDR2 PC2 5300, and I would be in good shape for this particular motherboard. So that's the optimal that I could get for this PC to have it work for this PC. And realistically, I'd choose one of these 2. It would make no sense for me to get singles if I could get kits there. So it's a really easy way for us to go and find out what kind of memory belongs in our PC. I may not buy it from them. I may go and Google these, or look on Newegg or Tiger Direct, one of our other sites that we've used, for a better price. But at least I know now that I need to be looking for DDR2 PC 5300 or 660 megahertz DDR2 memory. And that's the Crucial memory scanner.